Hello, I'm David Evans from Con Evans. At Con Evans we specialise in providing equipment for deaf and hard of hearing people. In fact, we say that we have solutions to improve the quality of life. Today we're going to talk you through the SONUMAX 2.4 TV listener. It's an amplified system to help either non-hearing aid or hearing aid users listen to the TV at a comfortable level. It's often a common problem at home that if you have a partner in the same room, you may well want the TV at a louder or a quieter level than they do. So we're providing and offering a system that allows you to listen completely independently of the TV volume. We have two systems within the SONUMAX range. This system, which has a wireless headset, the amplifier is in the unit in the bottom. We're also secondly going to show you a pocket system that doesn't rely upon the unit hanging around its ears. Let's look at this one first. This is the 2.4. In the bottom there is a rechargeable battery. It has an on-off switch on the side, and it has a volume control in the top. It's worn like that, so that the person listening wears this unit. There is a base station that is connected into the TV. It allows you to recharge the unit by putting it in there at night. During the day, it is able to recharge a separate battery, which is plugged into the side there, so that you can be charging one battery while using the system. This unit is mains powered, so with the unit comes a mains power supply. I've already fitted the UK adapter. If you're in Europe, it does come with a 2-pin European plug. So this power supply fits into the back. If we just turn it around, there's a yellow connector that fits into there. So there's your base station, there's the unit. It charges when it's inside. The unit has a number of different option connections. You can connect it into your TV using a digital connection. This is referred to as a Toslink. Alternatively, you can listen to the TV from a microphone. The microphone has a little small clip that you take the sticky pad off. It sticks onto the microphone. Sticks onto the onto the TV speaker. The microphone is this. The actual microphone sound is picked up in by those holes. So when you clip it into this little bracket, strange as you may seem, the hole is not covered by the little bracket. So that sticks on, and then you connect that into the back. It's also quite good for testing, because without worrying about the connection, if you have a problem getting it working, you can always talk in the microphone and do that marvellous words, "Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a microphone option. It also comes with a selection of leads. It comes with a 3.5 plug to plug. It comes with a 1/4-inch adapter that would allow you to connect it into a headphone socket, like that. Alternatively, if you have a phono audio out on your TV, you can use those into the phono sockets. So it comes a nice sensible range of connecting leads. Not too many, but it's a nice selection. I particularly like having the microphone option, not so much that you'll necessarily use it in practice, but it's a really good test feature to help you get it going in the first place. People often do have trouble getting the right output out of the TV working. So there's the system. If we just move these bits there, like that. Now, this system is very similar. All these accessories are the same. In fact, the base stations are the same. If you're charging a unit, you can have it charged like that, or you can have it charged like that. So either will work. The base station, the bottom unit is, as you can see, very similar. It has a rechargeable battery again in the bottom. It has a belt clip. It has the volume control on the top. Now, when you buy the system, there are a number of system opportunities. Number one, it can come with a neck loop. The neck loop can be worn by the hearing aid user. You turn your hearing aid to the loop program. You plug this lead into the belt pack. Connect up the base station as you would over there, adjust the volume, and you can either put it in your pocket, clip it on your waist, put it in your pocket. There also comes with it a little lanyard so you can hang it around the neck. So there is that for use by a hearing aid user. Alternatively, if you don't like the idea of this unit hanging around your neck, and some people, it's fine for a short period of time, but if you're using it literally all day, it does get a bit tiresome on on the ears. You can have this little Steto clip headset. Let's take the neck clip off. This again goes into your ears, plugs into there, and you can now listen as a non-hearing aid user into the system. If you have a favourite set of earphones, I particularly like my ones here, instead of using the supplied Steto, you can plug your own headset in. So you can plug any headset or earphones that you already have that has a 3.5mm plug. So there we've got we can offer you a system with a neck loop, a system with a set of Steto headsets, a headset that you wear around the neck, and there's also a fourth system whereby you can have that and that. If you're not sure whether the system will be loud enough for you without a hearing aid, you can have the neck loop, so you can try sometimes wearing it with your hearing aid and sometimes like that. You can have more than one receiver if you want to, so if you have a couple of members in the family that want to have help listening to the TV, that's not a problem either. So I think those are mainly the main items. With the headset unit, you do get a spare alternative set of earbud size in case you've got smaller or larger ears. And there we are. That is the Sonimax 2.4 amplified TV system. Thank you for listening, and see you again another time.